Executive Governor of Anambra State paid a visit to Ato Eze Nupo, and yes, he paid a visit to his Abuja residence. This particular video has actually been making loads and loads of rounds on the internet, and a lot of people are cracking their mouths saying that the political face in Anambra State is about to change. Yes, we know that come November 2025, the Anambra State governorship election is going to be taking place. And yes, this is one of the basic reasons why a lot of people are already suspicious of his visit to Ozobondo, who is a businessman, but we all know has a strong political foundation for the people of Anambra and as well. We don't know the cause of this meeting, but just take a look at the video. After that, please don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, because that is important here.
Yes. The best one. Okay, but I'm for ya. But I'm for ya.
It is quite great to see so many of us gathered here, which shows the interest we continue to take in our home state.
Number one, but to remind us the purpose, the destination. What did we set out to do? Nandi Igbo, Nandi Anambra, we are in everybody's village. Any village in Nigeria, if for Onya Anambra or Igbo, a manner there is no money to be made there. I wear all the resources. Our people are everywhere, developing everywhere. But I am a livable and prosperous homeland. In my mind, I don't see Anambra South or Central or North. What I see is one state, one people, one agenda.
Endorsement. See if I can go there. Governor, first no money be American endorse. No, okay. Mbiko na using mbiko. Meme kwa niva umahime. See if I can look here. I came. I saw. I didn't conquer. I confirm. Because I'm going to make a bypass. I'm going to make a flyover. Nearby. Can you leave endorse? Una even nakawa. So that when that election, Okurito unye, go aris long gemerian yida. Manobo koma. Oluna aga. Oluna megini. November 8th, God dear me. Odoliwo, carry go. I will not withhold my endorsement. Makama not even the Eba. I am from Ghana today. And the man na win the election.
Anambra is on the rise. Anambra is rising. And together, all of us will take Anambra to that height. I thank you very much and God bless you.
Endorsement. See if I can go there. No money be very endorsed. No, okay. Mbiko na using mbiko. Mena kwa niva umahime. See if I can go here. I came. I saw. I didn't conquer. I confirm. Because I'm going to employ your bypass. Olunaga. Oluna megini. And Anya. Amagini Okacharacha. Ntuwe Bugini. I am at Tawagodi now. November 8th, God dear me. But anyway, Kaigo.
Thank you, Your Excellency, former governor. Senator Dr. Governor Chris Gigi, GSM. Okay, thank you so much.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this state, just like we are under the lights, opens the doors and is the light of the nation through which everywhere far east becomes blurred to the whole world. An economist, a man who understands his people, a dogged worker, an achiever, and of course, he is now the executive governor of that state. He was a one-time central bank governor of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, but this trumps everything. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage to receive the Good Governance Awards, His Excellency of the Life of the Nation, Charles Cubana, Executive Governor of Anambra State.
Ernest Ezaji Itenga Ekelengo. Biko, we're not your family because of what of time. I think I'm over starter. When Jack and Kowaranu, Afambo, Honorable Sir, Chokode, Umaba, Chidesendo, the former state chairman of People's Democratic Party PDP in Anambra State. We started PDP together, about the convener for PDP. With me here, Honorable Uchelu Benjamin Ofoka, the state deputy chairman.
APGA! Afuga!
May I call our state legal advisor, our former, let me put former state legal advisor to be Barrister Chief S.I. Oloba Otutu Noga.
APGA!
Abga.
APGA!
Abga.
APGA!
Abga. In the same vein,